This web-based resource that I found was the Biointeractive, and basically you can type in anything that you would like to search for, and it will have peer review, articles, lots of videos. It can go all over the world with science. It's a great science resource for students, and I felt that if you are doing project-based learning or anything of that sort and they needed to research a topic, this would be a great resource. They can get in there. We were looking at microbiology today. Just so many things in here. Viruses. We watched a video on dengue virus and how they've basically infected mosquitoes with bacteria that can eliminate the host mosquito from actually having dengue. And then the dengue in the areas where they had set the mosquitoes free, there have been no new reports of dengue fever in these areas right here. Mosquitoes might save lives thanks to bacteria. It was really interesting. I thought it was great exactly for project-based learning. It covers the ISTEs for students, several of them, like 1C, 3D, education learners. I believe 1B fits really well with this one. I enjoy it a lot, and I plan on using this in the future quite often.